What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Out, getting ready to start tonight with 2 breaks. The first one is a 5-box mini break. Nice little lineup for cheap. We're live. Good luck. Teams are random. We don't need any Vegas, so it's only 30 teams. 8:35 on the clock in Newfoundland. Anaheim to Winnie and Jeff down to Jonathan. We'll start with the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. This is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 8:35, 8:35, and last and final random on your teams before we copy them over. Last and final timestamp there. 8:35, 8:35. You got St. Louis on top of the list and Detroit at the halfway mark, plus San Jose to Buffalo. There's your teams. Let's match up some names. 8:36. And again, Jeff down to Jonathan. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 8:36. 8:36, last and final. We'll do it. Timestamp on 4, 8:36. And 8:36 it is. Greg, top of the list, down to Sean at the halfway mark. And Jonathan to Kenny. Here's your teams. We'll post them in the comments for the mini break tonight. We'll see you in less than an hour, 9:30. It's 8:36 here now. Thanks, guys.